how to measure distance on Google Maps on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you're looking to measure distances on Google Maps using your iPhone, you've come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily calculate the distance between two or more points. Let's get started. First things first, open up the Google Maps on your iPhone, and then once the app is open, you might want to navigate to the specific city or area. You can either search on the search bar or simply browse through the map. Now, to measure the distance, you need to drop a pin on the map. Just tap and hold on the location where you want to start measuring. A pin will appear marking that spot. Now, uh, you'll see a menu slide up from the bottom, so slide it up and there you'll find the measure distance option. Just tap on it and then you can see a line appear, so you can just move the line around and then it will start measuring the distance. As you can see, the kilometers are changing on the bottom. It's as simple as that to measure distance on Google Maps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.